Energy calculation, yeah, energy is not supply an idea, it's also quantity that we can calculate. First one is about gravitational potential energy, yeah, we call it as the G.P.E, or sometimes orang menyebutkan langsung aja PE ya, potential energy. Potential energy ini adalah depends by mass, gravitational acceleration, and height. Ya. Kita lihat ada formulanya tuh ya, this one ya. Gravitational potential energy or G.P.E. Ya, kadang nulisnya panjang ya, G.P.E. G.P.E is weight ya times it. Or potential energy means mgh ya, semuanya. Gampang saja ya. Ini juga ada di kelas 8 kalau nggak salah ya. Kelas 8 atau kelas 7 ya. Potential energy ya. Potential energy or gravitational potential energy depends by mass, gravitational acceleration, and height. Nah ini tentang height itu dia menghitungnya terhadap ini ya, surface of Earth ya, dari permukaan bumi ya, surface of Earth surface. Dan ini contohnya apa ya tuh? Kita langsung ini aja. Berikutnya adalah kinetic energy ya, Ke. Kinetic energy is a half mass times speed square. Kinetic energy is a half mv square. So a half kan ini masih formula ya. Umum ya, mungkin kalian juga masih ingat atau pernah dipelajari bahwa kinetic energy is a half mv square. Ya. Coba kita mungkin ada questionnya nih. Coba kita lihat questionnya. We have several questions here. Yeah, start from 6.15 until 6.21. Yeah. Let's check question one by one. Yeah. Start from 6.15. 6.15 is in the following example. In the object's G.P.E, increasing, decreasing, or remaining constant. An apple falls from a tree. Kalau dia fall from tree, G.P.E it will be decreasing ya. Why? Because heat decreasing. And B, an aircraft flies horizontally at a height of 9,000 meters. This is constant. Yeah. Why? Height constant. Yeah. See, a skyrocket to fire into the sky. Into the sky berarti increasing. Bertambah. Karena height-nya bertambah. Ya. Ini because height berkurang ya. Ini height constant and then here height bigger ya. Bertambah. That's it. Then question 6.16. A girl of weight 5,000 Newton climbs on top of 2.0 meter high wall. By how much? Does her GPE increase? Ya, kita hitung aja. GPE is weight times age. They have weight as 500 Newton and height is 2.0. Ya, ini adalah 1000 ya, Newton. GPE or PE equals to weight times age. Ya. Okay, question 617. 617 is a stone weight 1.0 Newton falls downward. Its GPE increased by 100 Joule. How far has it fallen? Oh, ini GPE equals to weight times age. Yang dicari adalah age-nya ini. Ini adalah 100 Newton. Ini adalah 1 Newton ya, time H. Ya, H berarti ya 100 divided 1 ya. 100 also in meter. Ini masih gampang-gampang. 617. Now 618. What does V represent in this formula? Ka a half mv square. V is speed, kecepatan, in meter per second. Okay, now done ya, 618. Now 619. 619 is how much Ka is stored by 1 kilogram ball moving at 1.0 meter second. Okay, kinetic energy is a half mv square. A half of mass is 1 kilogram. Yeah, times V is 1 also square. Ini a half ya, ini 1 square 1. A half of 1, 0.5, a half of so joules. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Kinetic energy a half mv square. Then we have answer as 0.5 joule. Sekarang 6.20. A runner mass 80 kg is moving at 8.0 meter per second. Calculate her kinetic energy. Again, kinetic energy is a half mv square. A half m 80 kilogram ya. V is 8.0 square. Ini kan 40 dikali 64 ya. 40 dikali 64. 2560. 2560 in joules. Okay, one more question. 621. Ini masih gampang ya. Which has more kinetic energy 2 gram B flying at 1.0 meter second and 1 gram wasp ya flying at 2. Coba aja kita cari ya. Kinetic energy 1 is a half mass of B is 2 gram ya. 2 gram is we need to convert it to kilogram ya. In 1.0 square. Yeah. This is equals to 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 3 joules. And second one is a half of mass of a wasp. Yeah. 1.0 we convert into kilogram with times 10 to the power negative 3, and they have a speed 2.0. Good. So this is 4 divided to 2. 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 3 joules. So you can see this, yeah. This is less than, yeah. This is bigger than, yeah. So kinetic energy 2, yeah. Kinetic energy waste, ya, ini lebih besar daripada kinetic energy of B. Yeah, that's it. We continue again, ya. Check other topic or other question or anything about this. Oh, ternyata no, it's about end of chapter question. Nah, coba kita solve one by one about this question. 1. Copy and complete the table by giving the name of each form of the energy in the first column. Energy of moving object. This is kinetic energy. Yeah. This kinetic energy. Second, energy stored in the hot object. Ini berarti heat, ya, energy. Or sometimes kita nyebutnya heat saja udah cukup, ya. Energy stored in the fuel. Ini kita bisa sebut chemical, ya, energy. Chemical energy. Energy that we can see, light, ya. Sometimes only light, ya. Energy that we can hear itu adalah sound energy. Energy stored square spring. Oh, ini lupa apa ya namanya. Strain. Ya, strain energy. Strain energy. Energy carried by an electric current. Electrical energy. Electrical energy. Energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic, ya. Atom energy. Or sometimes binding energy, ya. Ini sebutlah ini adalah energi ikat or binding energy. Maybe on grade 11 and grade 12 you will learn about this. Yeah. Energy escaping from the hot object. Oh, escaping. Apa ya? Maybe escape is like upthrust, ya. Upthrust, energi ke atas, ya. Upthrust energy. Nah, seperti itu ya, kurang lebih. Then we check question 2. Energy can be changed from one form to another. It can be transferred from one object to another. Copy and complete the following sentences. A. When energy changes from one form to another, some of the energy may be wasted, yeah, often in the form of apa ini? Oh, apa sih namanya, guys? Energy transformation ya, on the energy transformation. Hmm. Then the blah 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 tell us the fraction of energy which is wasted. Fraction energy wasted. Ini biasanya heat ya. Uh, the total amount of energy does not change. This is known as principle of conservation energy. Conservation of energy. Yeah, conservation of energy. That's it. Then question 3. Give the equation used calculate the following quantities and explain the meaning of the symbol of for each. Yeah. Okay, kinetic energy uh, according this book is Ke. Yeah. This is a half mv square. And then according from this book, gravitational potential energy we sign as G.P.E equals to mass or weight times, yeah, weight as the mg times h, ya. Oke, that's it. Seperti ini ya. Kita lanjut lagi ya, Rama and Josh. Kita cek question 4, 5, 6, and 7 maybe. Yeah. Okay. Number 4 is the diagram represent an energy change. Yeah. This is input energy input, lost energy and useful energy output. Copy and complete the following two-word equation for this energy change. Was energy contohnya mungkin ya, ini was energy contohnya maybe heat. Sorry. Heat, yeah. Also sound, yeah. And maybe also heat and sound, maybe some of this is about heat and sound. And efficiency, this efficiency I think less than 100%. Ya, pasti less than 100%. Less than 100%. Why? Yeah, because they have waste energy. Yeah, waste energy. Ada yang hilang berarti efisiensi not 100%. If 100% is energy input equals to useful energy output. Yeah. So, yeah, di bawah 100%. Okay, this is question 4. Yeah. Now try question 5. What are the energy conversion in each the following? Write the equation for each. Oh, oke, kita lihat satu-satu ya, one by one. Number 5 for A is a glowworm in impact the glows in the dark. Chemical in the body react together to the produce light and heat. Oh, this is berarti from dari dalam tubuh chemical ya, chemical to light. Chemical ini berarti dari body chemical ya, into heat and then light. Ah, is it? Chemical from the body into heat, yeah, and then emit light. Yeah. B question: an electric motor is used to start computer's disk drive spinning rule. Oh, electric motor is from electric, yeah, energy, electrical energy to uh, rotation is kinetic, yeah, kinetic energy. And then C is a wind turbine spin the generator electricity. Oh, in this is from kinetic energy, yeah, into electricity, yeah, electrical energy. Yeah. Then D friction the car's brakes slow down. Oh, friction, yeah, friction to kinetic. Friction to kinetic. Yeah. Okay, that is question 5. Yeah. Now, check question 6. Question 6 is light bulb is supplied with 100 joule of electrical energy each second. It produces 7 joule light energy and 93 joules of thermal heat energy. Explain how this source energy is conserved. Oh, ini light bulb. Yeah. So they have 100 joules as the energy input. Yeah. And become to, yeah, become to light 7, become to light, yeah. Only 7 joules. Okay. This is useful energy. Useful energy. And was energy heat malah lebih besar, guys. This is post energy, ya. 93 joules. This is as the wasted energy. Wasted, yeah, energy. So like the efficiency kecil sekali ya, kecil sekali. Ini kalau efisiensi kan berarti 7 per 100 times 1%. Only 7%. So small, yeah, so small. Question 7 is the girl on the skate ramp roller skate down on side of slope and up the opposite side. She cannot quite reach the top of the slope level with her starting position. What energy conversion taking place the girl from downward? When downward is potential energy, yeah, potential gravitational energy or G.P.E to K.E. Yeah. This is G.P.E to kinetic energy. Yeah. And what energy conversion taking place? Girl move back upward. Back upward is again this is reverse, yeah. Kinetic energy to gravitational potential energy. Yeah. Because they have depends by height and velocity, yeah. This is from height to velocity. This is from velocity to height. Explain why the girl cannot reach the top of the slope because friction. Uh, friction. Ada gesekan. Yeah. So the friction they have work done. Yeah. So guess how the girl could reach the top of the slope? The slope must be slope must apa namanya licin, less friction, ya, must be less friction, or maybe use, ya, less friction, ya, lebih tepat.